Every morning we fight traffic, noise, and stress. But what if your day started with birds, fresh air, and peaceful views? What if I told you that your dream home is not in the city chaos but hidden in the calm beauty of nature? This is not just land you are looking at, this is the future lifestyle which your family truly deserves. Close your eyes and imagine your morning filled with greenery instead of horns. Welcome to Nature Hills and Developers. Smart investors don't wait for future, they build it today at Nature Hills and Developers. If you want to know more details, contact us now and follow for more.